Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Here Avika this side from Cosmetic Warehouse. Here you can see there are few makeup sprays available that I'm going to show you from the different brands, and they are the facial oils you can use before the makeup. And let's see what is the starting range we have. This is the Huda Beauty, the matte fixer from the brand Huda Beauty. Let's check how its quality is. But first of all, I am going to reveal the price of this one. The price is rupees just 28. Yes, you heard it right. 20 is the price of this one. If you purchase in bulk and if you purchase in retail, the price will gonna be same. The PDF will be available on my WhatsApp channel. The contact number is 8800496238. You can contact me there. The catalog is available with the prices, so there is no issue in any prices. So let's check this one. Here, this is the packaging of the product. Before using any makeup fixer, you have to just do it like this. So all the ingredients mixed with each other. Let's check how the quality is. So the quality is really fine in just 28 rupees. The basic makeup you can do with this product, and here you can see the quality of the product is really fine. After that, the next one is Malio makeup fixing spray. Here you can see there are two variants in the Malio brand. First one is Dewy Finish. Yes, you can get the Dewy Finish by using this makeup fixer, and the other one is in the flavor of rose water and green tea. This one. Both the qualities are very genuine. Let's check. This is for the dewy skin. If you want really glowing skin after the makeup, then you can use this one makeup spray. Look, you just have to make it dry after applying on your makeup. You just need to make it dry, and then your skin will glow and it will do wonders to your skin. After that, this is the next one. This is from the same brand, and this is really long lasting for all skin types. Yes, the makeup I am showing you are for all skin types. There is no particular skin size, so test it somewhere else. Here you can see the quality is really very good. The quality is really very good of all the products. You can use it. There's a little bit fragrance of rose water and green tea. After that, there are other products also. Let's check. I have two variants in the brand Mars. The first one is rose fixer and the other one is orange one. Here you can see. Mars have its own MRP. Here you can see the MRP of the product is rupees 259, and we are giving it on heavy discount, very heavy discount we are giving it on. For prices, I have already told you can contact me on my WhatsApp. So let's check its quality also. Here you can see the quality of the spray is really good, and the fragrance is really awesome. Here you can see the product. After that, let's go up to this. Let's check its MRP. What it's gonna be MRP. The MRP is rupees 300 for the product, and here you can see the packaging of the product. The quality is really very good. The best part is its fragrance. Here you can see the fragrance, very good fragrance. After that, let's go up to MAC. This is the MAC Prep Plus Prime Makeup Fixer. The best thing is you don't need any primer to prep your skin for makeup. You can use both. You can use it both for the purpose, and you just have to make it twist, and then you can spray it directly on your skin. The quality is really very good. Here you can see. The quality is going to be really fine. The prices have already mentioned on my WhatsApp channel, so you can ping me over there. After that, the best part of the video, I'm going to show you. This is the masterpiece we have. This is the Huda Beauty makeup fixer. Here you can see all the details are given on the packaging of the product. And the next thing is its barcode. Here you can see the barcode of the product, which you can scan. Yes, the barcode is scannable, and here you can see it is completely closed from the brand and not open, seal open. The quality is going to really genuine. Let's open and check the quality. its MRP is 2150 rupees on Nykaa. Yes, it's, you can check it also. If you need barcode of the product, I will gonna show you the barcode. So the original MRP is 2100 something, but we are giving it in heavy discount. The price is gonna be 1250. Just 1250 is the price of the product, so you can check. Okay, thank you so much for the. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more videos, join our channel. Thank you so much.